Hi, today we're going to be talking about some lights that you can put outside and attach to just about anything, because they don't need any electricity to be set up. Because on the top you'll notice it has some photovoltaic cells so that it can grab the sunlight, and it has a sensor to know whenever it's basically dusk to dawn, and it'll turn itself off and on. And they have these really cool brackets that you just basically screw to the side of something, screw it in like that, and you're basically set. And they turn off and on for you, and you don't have to do anything. Now it does come with a remote control, so if you want to turn them off from outside, from inside, so you don't have to go outside, you can do that. And it does come with some batteries for it. But other than that, we are good to go. There is an on-off switch to basically turn it off and on. You can see the little guy there, that is the sensor here. So I'm going to go ahead and turn these back off. I'm going to go ahead and get these mounted up onto the side of the shed that I'm going to be using, and I'll show you how they install and how they look. Alright, so we have the mounts up here. I have one over here. This is for an inside light. It has nothing to do with these lights. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on, and then these just basically slip onto those like that. And I'll turn this one on and slip over top of it. So there you go. They're set up. Super simple. No wiring, no dealing with any of the codes for electricity. Basically screw them onto something, turn them on, and walk away, and you're done with them. So if you're looking for something that gives you that security of always having lights on, check them out. So I think that basically speaks for itself. If you're looking for these types of lights, there you go.
And there you can see how the shed looks at night with the two lights. You see it does a really nice job of illuminating the area there in front of the shed and the doors, so you can go out there if you need to get things at night. It's easy to access, nice and bright. So again, check it out if you are looking for some nice solar lights that you don't have to really mess with. They just kind of sit out there.